Imagine a world where every journey you take contributes to a cleaner, greener environment. A world where your two-wheeler doesn't belch out smoke, but rather hums along, powered by electricity. This world isn't a distant dream, but an attainable reality thanks to GoGoA1.com SEV conversion kits. Our world today is grappling with a host of environmental issues, from air pollution to climate change, largely due to our reliance on fossil fuels. Conventional two-wheelers, though convenient, add to these problems, emitting harmful gases and contributing to traffic congestion. But what if we could continue to enjoy the convenience of our two-wheelers without the negative impacts? Enter GoGoA1.com, a pioneer in the field of electric vehicle conversion kits. Approved by the Regional Transport Office, our EV conversion kits can transform your petrol-driven two-wheeler into an eco-friendly electric vehicle. This isn't just a step towards environmental conservation, but a leap towards addressing several socio-economic challenges. By converting your two-wheeler to an electric vehicle, you eliminate tailpipe emissions, significantly reducing your carbon footprint. You contribute to the global effort to combat climate change and help build a sustainable transportation solution. But the benefits don't stop there. Our EV conversion kits allow you to operate your vehicle on electricity, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. This shift towards electric mobility aligns with long-term energy security goals, promoting self-sufficiency and resilience against fluctuations in the global energy market. And let's not forget about the traffic. Electric two-wheelers are quieter, more compact, and contribute to a smoother traffic flow, helping to alleviate congestion. The economic benefits of adopting our EV conversion kits are significant too. Lower operational costs, reduced maintenance expenses, and government incentives all contribute to promoting financial well-being. Moreover, the increased demand for EVs stimulates job creation in the manufacturing, maintenance, and service sectors, bolstering the national economy. At GoGoA1, we're committed to innovation and sustainability, aligning with a vision for a cleaner, greener future. We're providing individuals with the tools to actively participate in the mission to reduce environmental impact and enhance energy security. In conclusion, our RTO-approved EV conversion kits are a transformative solution to the pressing issues related to conventional transportation. By addressing environmental concerns, promoting energy independence, alleviating traffic congestion, and fostering economic growth, we're not just offering a product, we're offering a pathway to a sustainable and resilient nation. With GoGoA1, you're not just riding towards your destination, you're riding towards a better future.